What's up guys, welcome back once again. So today we'll be taking a look at two Jordan 1 sneakers, but first, as you can see, I'm headed out somewhere. So basically I'm going to Main Street because one of those sneakers was sourced by them for me, so I have to go and pick that up. And not just that, you guys must have noticed that we haven't been talking much about Metro lately, so we have a very important thing to discuss. Me and Vedant will be doing that today, and we will have a very special announcement very soon for you guys. By the way, you guys went really crazy in the last video, the trophy rooms I'm talking about. I think we already have over 1500 comments and more than 2000 likes at the time of shooting this video. I would really like to thank you for your love and support. It just feels so good, you know. It really motivates me to do more and more and more. Thanks a lot, guys. By the way, the giveaway is still on for the Jordan 1 Mid Chicago. So if you haven't checked the last video out, then go and check that video out, as we haven't yet met our targets. Alright, so here we are at Main Street. Now I'm gonna quickly head inside, finish the meeting and pick up the sneaker and see you back in the car. So finally back home, and here are both the sneakers. Alright, so let's start with the first one. As you can see, this is the reverse box. It's red and black instead of black and red that you can see down. So I'm sure some of you must have guessed this already, but if not, let me quickly show you what these are. So these are the Jordan 1 silver toes that I picked up from Main Street. And as you can see, they're already laced because I picked them up and I put them on feet straight away when I come here. So yeah, so this is the silver toe. Like I said, you can see the toe box is in silver with the usual leather on the either side and some more silver chrome look at the back of the shoe. So I wasn't really sure if I like these, but then what happens usually with me is that say if Main Street gets a pair in my size, okay, so they call me and they ask me that we have so and so in your size, do you want it? And if at that moment I'm thinking of some content, or I'm thinking of probably wanting to try a new shoe, or if I'm simply just bored, so I pick them up. So that is how I happen to pick these up. But personally, seeing it in hand, I think they are pretty cool. By the way, these were a women's only, but I think they came in a little extended sizes, so it was pretty okay for most average Indians to find a size for themselves. And they are currently selling for around 30,000 rupees. It might dip a little, but I think it will hold its value, so because it's a pretty nice and dope shoe and the color blocking is also nice. So yeah, it comes with an extra pair of sparkly silver laces, which I don't think I will put on, and I think it will suit best for women. And it also comes with a Nike Air hang tag in silver. So yeah, these were the silver toes. If you want to see them, how they look on feet, then I will be posting a photo of the same on my Instagram today, so go follow me over there. Let's put this aside. Now the second pair is actually the Metro members already know what the second pair is because I had disclosed it in one of the live sessions, but nevertheless, here it is. Let's just quickly open them up. And before we do that, quick shout out to Sneaky Mafia India. Here is their Instagram. So they were the ones who hooked me up with these on retail. So yeah, now let's see the shoe and then we will talk about why I went for them. So here it is. These are the Air Jordan 1's metallic gold or black gold, or however they call it. And as you can see, this shoe is majorly in patent leather, and I personally like patent leather quite a bit because I like the whole dressy vibes that the shoe gives out, like the Fearless UNC to Chicago as well. Those were an amazing sneaker. So yeah, I was getting something on retail and obviously I couldn't say no, and I was kind of attracted to this whole colorway, and like I said, I like patent leather. So I thought, why not, let's try a pair of dressy sneakers that we could probably use to a party or maybe somewhere else. So these come with an additional pair of gold laces, which I think will look really awesome on the shoe. And apart from that, you just have the golden swoosh and some gold used on the back of the shoe, and that is it. overall it's mainly all black, so you can never go wrong with it. And the midsole and the outsole is also black, so you don't need to worry about using them a lot. So yeah, I got these for retail like I said, and I got those from Main Street for roughly around I'm not sure actually, because I have a lot that keeps happening with Main Street, buying, selling and things like that. So any which ways, those are reselling for 30k. These are also approximately reselling for 30 to 32k if I'm not mistaken. And it is said that these shoes might perform better in long term, over a period of time. So if you are looking to try out a patent leather, then you can definitely go out for this one, because they aren't as expensive right now, and you could also probably hold it, wear it and still not make a loss. So this is a good investment. Let me just put this aside. I should keep one shoe na. Shit, I have a call again. What to do? Hello? नहीं मेरे को कुछ नहीं चाहिए, धन्यवाद. Alright then, these were the two sneakers that I picked up in the last week. Actually, I have picked up a lot more sneakers and I have a lot of content, but it's actually the first time that I am literally deciding what should I put out first or what should I put out next, and then something else also comes up in between. So a lot of shit is happening, but either ways, this is all for today. Do let me know in the comments below if you would like the silver toe or the gold toe better. Personally, I think I like the gold toes, not gold toes, the metallic gold, black gold Jordan 1, because like I said, I like patent leather a little bit more, and when it comes to gold and silver, then I think it's best suited on patent leather. That's my personal opinion. So do let me know what you feel in the comments below. And also, like I said, the Jordan 1 Mid Chicago giveaway is still on. I think by the time I shot this last part of the video, it has already crossed 2,500 likes, but we'll keep it on for this video as well, and I will probably pick a winner in the next video. So yeah, that's all from me for today. If you're watching till here, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
ब्लू लेसेस किधर है?
Blue laces किधर है?
किधर है?
रुको जरा, ठहरो, आएगा ना? मीम आएगा ना? मीम नन्ना है.
तो रुको जरा, सबर करो. बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने का, आराम से.